Minasan konnichiwa. My name is Spencer.
Cherry this.
And
welcome to Tokyo Daily.
Boom boom.
Boom boom. Tokyo Daily is really about discovery and connecting with people through language, culture, food, and especially telling people stories. That's the most important thing, right? And by hearing those stories of different people, we learn from them. And this is not about us. It's all about you.
For the exciting and adventurous part of Tokyo Daily, we are going to go behind the scenes and look at everyday life in Tokyo and see how it is. We really believe that connecting with people is a way of finding yourself, connecting with the universe, and inspiring people. Together at Tokyo Daily, let's learn, inspire, and discover. All right, this is it.
Yeah, please stay tuned for more videos in Tokyo Daily.
And don't forget to click,
like,
and subscribe. You can also follow us on our Instagram page and boom!